This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened the file and you're ready to change colors. First, click the layer or hold Shift to choose multiple layers. This applies changes consistently. Once selected, look to the right Properties panel where Fill and Stroke live. Click a swatch to reveal the color picker. If nothing appears, ensure the layer type supports fills. Make sure to deselect nested groups if you mean only one object, and remember to lock any layers you don't want altered. Now refine the color using the picker and decide whether to keep it as a style. Type a HEX or RGB value for precision, or drag inside the hue and saturation field for visual selection. Once happy, click the 4-dot styles icon to save as color style. This keeps your palette consistent across the file. If working with multiple components, apply a color style to each to enable global updates. Also tweak opacity. Finish by applying batch edits and verifying results. To change many elements that share a fill, right-click a swatch and choose Select All with Same Fill, then edit once to update all. If you used color styles, update the style. Every linked layer updates automatically, saving manual work. Make sure to inspect masks, Boolean groups, component instance overrides, or locked layers if a color doesn't change. Those commonly block edits. Finally, preview in Prototype or export a sample to confirm color fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.